The longest train track in the world. Transport of goods quickly and in less time. It can take materials and things. Any material thing. Now we will go to the train. Here is the train. Here's the train. We will see. This is the longest train. If you take one of the Minecraft, these, and put it here, and here. Now we will move. It will move slowly. Then it is moving because I have redstone. It is moving slowly. I don't know why, but it is moving slowly. But it is quick. So here you can see the things, everything, the wood. When we climb up, we will see there. Here we climb up. Now we climbed up. We'll do like this. We will stop here. And now we take this with us, and we will go like. I will go to here. I will let you see the world, all the world. So I'm gonna go there. Here. So you can see the world. Here, this is all the work that I did. But here, sorry for this mistake. And now, we will move. See, it's the redstone. It's so good. You see, there's up. This is the longest train in the world. Longest train. I built this all from there and here, then here. To let people see all the world. It's faster with this train. It is good. This is faster. Here. This is the down part. We will be down. Here we will see this is the move. Now move. Here we will see. Now we will go to the down part. We go down. It means we will finish from this longest train. We will wait. Now we're gonna be down. Then we fell. Then